Welcome to my YouTube channel. I just want to say Happy New Year. Happy New Year to everyone. I hope this year favors us in the most greatest way possible because 2024 showed most of us flames. And I just want to thank you for 15 subscribers. I'm so very much humbled. And thank you very much. Keep on liking, sharing, commenting, and most importantly, kindly subscribe to my channel. So today I will just be making a quick meal, which is a pasta. It means you need to fast, because it's raining. Who wants to stand in the kitchen while it's raining for long? So yeah.
Alex Epps. Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I won't have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee. Because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair out, was only out of fear that you'll find me ugly and one day you'll disappear. Cause what's the point of crying? It was never even now. Did you ever want me? Was I ever good enough? Good boy's a liar. Good boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy. Good boy's a liar. Good boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy.
He say that I'm good enough, but I'm not good enough. Think about shit that I shouldn't know. So I tell him it's one of me. He making fun of me. His girl is a bum to me. Like that boy is a cap. Saying he home, but I know where he at. Like, and he blowing her back. Think about me, cause he know that it's fat. Ain't it been what it been? Pulling his phone like, yo, send me a pin. Ducking my shit cause he know what I'm on. But when he hit me, I'm not gonna respond. But I don't sleep enough without you. And I can't eat enough without you. If you don't speak, does that mean we're through? Don't like sneaky shit that you do.
Good boy's a liar. Good boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy. Good boy's a liar. Good boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy. Good enough. Good enough. Good enough. Good enough. Good
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying, you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them put the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark perfume, go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. Just blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. I pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and your girl in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari.
feel like I'm new. Want me to watch you do you. Don't get you look so nice with a nice shoe. Look what you putting me through. I never do this to you.
This one I got you with the jabba. Me, I no get time, I did that. That cover my face, calling me that bad. Biggie man, we don't live where I bad. Tell me, what's it go? You are go, all the Bentley, the catch, ride the whip, I no feet, die for nothing. What's it go? You are go, all the Bentley, the catch, ride the whip, I no feet, die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, them must commend it. I can't come and see myself. So anything when they do, I did that to this one way. Plenty survive with we face. Just to make your money day. But my people then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Tell me, what's it go? You are go, all the Bentley, the gas, ride the whip, I know feet, die for nothing. What's it go? You are go, all the Bentley, the gas, ride the whip, I know feet. Different things them happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling, flow like the ocean, port I'm paddling. Shara Shinabella, that's my bro, my family, frozen drinks. When it comes to money, I did concentrate. Make I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a shall be head of state. But my people then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it go? You are go, all the Bentley, the gas, ride the whip, I know feet, die for nothing. What's it go? You are go, all the Bentley, the gas, ride the whip, I know feet.
forever. Oh.